Hey everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing great. Here is tomorrow's to-do list, and as we all know that the notification for SBI clerk is released. So from tomorrow we will start covering previous month current affairs, okay? And we should cover current affairs from January. So tomorrow I will revise January 100 question and answer PDF of Affairs Cloud, okay? Because current affairs will be asked from January to July. So we have to prepare ourselves from this time only, because we have to revise our current affairs for 4 to 5 times. So it's the good time to start revising our previous month current affairs. Then next is prelims mock test. From now on I will continue the prelims mock test daily, and for this you can go for olive board mock test, because the level of mock test is very good and it prepares you for the worst scenario, because as we know that the seats in SBI clerk is less, so there is a possibility that the level of the paper will be high. So it's better to go for the high level mock test so that we can prepare ourselves for the worst case, okay? Then next is English. I will attend English class plus I will revise my grammar notes. Then there is mains DI class. I am doing mains DI from Ashish sir. You can go for Amar sir classes if you don't have any paid subscription. Then I will watch 3 videos of 1000 puzzle series, okay? Then I will solve one mains puzzle, because we will prepare for pre plus main simultaneously. And if you want beginner strategy video, I will give it in the description box for beginners. Then there is today's current affairs. I will cover today's current affair from Affairs Cloud. Then there is class of banking awareness. I will attend this class on Plus by Kapil Katpal sir. You can go for his YouTube sessions also. Then there is editorial plus vocab. I will read this editorial plus from vocab 24 app. Then there is mains reasoning class. I will do this class from Ankush Lamba sir. If you don't have that, then you can go for mocks and prepare mains level reasoning. Then there are 10 question of perfection batch. We will do it together, okay? And from tomorrow I will give you PDF of next 10 questions in the comment section and description box of perfection series, and then you have to practice those questions, and on the next day we will discuss those questions in the video, okay? And in that way it will be helpful for you all, because first you will try to practice those questions by yourself, and then the next day I will provide you the video solution, okay? So that will be beneficial for you also. So that's all for tomorrow, and from tomorrow we have to start our real preparation. Like, be serious. If you were not serious till now, then be serious, because there is a goal before us and we have to achieve it. And don't worry about the seats. We have to just grab one seat. I know this is very difficult and the competition will be very high, but we have to prepare ourselves in a way that we will be able to achieve our dream, okay? So that's all for tomorrow. Be honest to yourself, okay? Just one time give your 100%, okay? So that you don't have to regret later. So that's all for tomorrow. Thank you. All the best. God bless you.